Hey, welcome to Rusty Bow. Today I'm going to resume work on the Suffolk latch. I'm going to revisit my my actual, like the thumb lift, the actual latch part, and I take the spoon part. I think I'm going to turn that into a leaf. And I'm going to see if I can save this other part that the drift went bad. If not, I'll have to redo that, and it probably won't be today. But I'm going to see how far I get. Not really looking to have a hard day today because I'm a little lazy at the moment, so we'll see how far we go. So, alright, stay tuned. piece that I ruined, I'm going to turn that into the sway bar. So I'm going to cut it off right there. Okay, I've had this piece of junk steel hanging around for a while. I will turn this into the piece that I need. Scrap, huh?
Yeah.
You're gonna give that blob to your mom for a cat?
That's unusual.
Yeah, looked like for a second you didn't have it, but it just broke off then.
Yeah.
Okay, that's good.
Mostly good by the looks of things.
See the other side. Okay, cool. Gonna have some work to do on that, huh?
Lots of.
Okay, fire pit, chessboard. With the help of my son, got that slab moved up the other night. Kind of on a whim. I was going to wait another week, but got up there. The chessboard is probably about 460, 470 pounds, and the pedestal is a little less than, I don't know, a little less than 400. I'm guessing the whole thing together is roughly 900 pounds. Got some relief on each end. So a hammer and an axe. And this is really solid too. Watch the pieces. Nothing moves. So that's pretty solid. So through the seasons we'll be playing chess, and in this tunnel is where I'll make some wood plugs, one for each side, and that's where we'll store the pieces. That's where we'll store the toys and the bronze and the wrought iron, and I may even, if there's room, put in the deer horn pieces I made for the Viking game. And don't ask me what that's called. I cannot remember how that's pronounced. Well, it did a little better than I expected. First of all, okay, that's good. I'll work a little more on that, probably refining, but that's in good shape. And I got a nice twist on this, with a little help from a technique I picked up from a blacksmith that I saw just this past weekend. So, okay, well, next time, turn this into a handle. So, all right, hope you had a good week. I will see you on the other side of this one. You stay well. Be good.